let's have a look and try if we win. Okay, so this is 1 million. Today is Monday and assembly.
No.
Dropping the kids to school, and me and Hubby is having a date.
A date?
Yeah.
Who?
What's a date? Alright, let's go, kids. No, we're late, are we?
Yup.
Okay, come on, let's go. Oh my god.
Zoe, I'm freezing.
Hmm?
Zoe, I'm freezing. 4 things.
Come on, go.
Imagine I eat 5 things.
Go on, Becky, you're late.
Bye, John.
Come
Hello,
on.
John. Bye, John. Hello, John. Hey, Zoe. Hi, Zoe.
We want things then. Quick, run.
Run. So we're dropping the kids off. The class starts. What's the class starts?
I just couldn't help myself.
The
Bit fresh, isn't
kids.
it?
Once we arrive in the classroom, we're gonna read them
Best part.
each book each. Read them a book each, and then after that there's assembly, and then we head off. We're gonna look on somewhere. So I'll see you later. Now we just got out from school and we are looking here somewhere. Some farm. Look at that one. That's big. Is that
Yeah.
a statue or what?
Yeah, they bought that from somewhere. It's always, they used to be the old office there, and he built this 2 years ago.
These are agricultural shop. I wish I can buy tractor like this to Philippines. Be good.
Probably cost you import
See
tax.
those little tractors, but it's so good to have that in the
Where?
Philippines.
Where?
Or invent something.
Cheaper buying in the Philippines, but importation tax is 100%. So if you pay something for $10,000, you got to pay 20,000.
So this is. Oh, it's a bit rainy today. It's a bit rainy, and we're just gonna have a look here around. So this pretty machinery. Just looking. Motorbike. It's so big, that one.
Which one?
That.
Motorbike? It's better being big, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's up to you.
Going through.
That's registered.
They do, I've got a couple of warrants on them.
Sorry?
The warranty.
We're just gonna drop by and do some shopping just here in goodnesses. Some people doesn't look when they
What you've done, you would have frozen.
reverse.
Huh? Huh?
Shepperton Big W. This is just their shopping center. There's not much happening.
I think you had a video, we had a video last time, didn't we?
Yeah.
A time lapse.
So I got my shopping bags because they are now using. Oh, this one's broken. Uh-oh. They don't use any more plastic bags here when you go shopping. Like in here, when we say shopping, we just go for groceries. That's all.
Oh no, hun.
What?
No lighter.
Oh my god.
Any lighters?
No.
Huh?
No. So I got my shopping bag and we're gonna go shopping. groceries. In the Philippines, when we say, I remember when I was a kid, when it says shopping, yung ano, magsha-shopping ng clothes, yung mag-mall sa city, live in the province. So pag sabi ng nanay, let's go shopping, ang saya-saya ng bata kasi kala shopping ng mga clothes, bagong damit, bagong mga sapatos. But dito, ang shopping, grocery lang. Yan. When we say mag-shopping, bili ng grocery, milk, bread, at everyday needs. So that's the shopping here. Walang mga bagong damit, no bagong shoes, just groceries. So come on, Dee. Shh, don't forget the light. La. I'm gonna try to buy a ticket, 100 million this Saturday. So we're gonna try and buy some lotto tickets. Sana manalo para yumaman. It's just a try. There's nothing bad in trying. And I'm gonna buy a scratchy one too. Scratchy. So guys, I bought a lotto ticket for $19, and then I bought this scratch. I hope I'm gonna let's have a look and try if we win. Okay, so this is 1 million. Hopefully, it's gonna be drawn.
No.
Saturday. So Saturday gonna be drawn on Saturday. So can you hold this for me?
It's unreal,
Yeah. Where's my coin? So that's drawn on Saturday. And agay po ang nahulog. We'll try this. Because if we win, so which one is this? Can you see it? Symbol. So what's the symbol? Closer, D. So the symbol is a ladybug and love. Oh, glove. So ladybug and a glove. Oh gosh. Pick. Worm. Oh, come on. Owl.
Here's the 400 pesos.
A wish. Frog. Carrot. Are you kidding me?
You're going through the same, do you?
A rabbit. A sun. Well, that's no luck. Now, what's this? Oh, well, it's only $2, so doesn't matter. What's this? A wheelbarrow and a rabbit.
Okay.
Oh, the worm could be on that one. Stupid thing.
See what it's made up.
Worm. Owl.
24,000 pesos.
Frog. Sun again. Ah, come on. This is ridiculous. Oh well. No luck. Hang on, what's in this in the back? Oh, hang on, D.
What's that? You're supposed to scratch that?
Yeah, I think.
No.
Yes. Says code. Oh, if the code matches. What's the code mean? if the code.
Hmm. Did you win anything?
What's the code? What's the code for?
Did you win anything?
No.
Yeah, online.
Oh, say much they. Oh well, we didn't win on that scratchy bit. It's only $2, so it's nothing to lose. Oh, yeah, you did lose $4, but it's nothing. It's just a coin. So, where are we going now? Shopping? All right, we go have a look in the Big W. We just wait for that. I hope we win 100,000, 1 million. Even if just 1 million, we win. That'd be good. So there's so many shops here inside, like kitchenwares, Big W, sanity, and everything. So let's go. My husband was saying that I'm not size 8 anymore.
You were 8 when you were 21. Now you got a bigger bum, so you must be a 10.
So I'm 8. I'm still 8.
Yeah, she buys 8 clothes, but has to lie down and do the button up. What does that mean? Huh?
Oh well, I'm 10. Okay, I'm 10. But I'm still 8. Sometimes I fit 6.
6?
Size 6.
Goodness, I'll camel toe back and front.
Oh well. We're gonna have a look here.
Hun?
Oh my god, I'm not gonna wear that. Let's have a look, Kitty. Come. See, nice winter jacket. Come this way. Oh my god, what's that?
Oh, look.
No way, I'm not wearing
Why?
that.
Hey.
No. You wear it first.
Huh?
You wear it first.
I'll wear it.
Give me some coffee.
No, coffee addict.
No, I never used drink coffee, but
She's drunk all of it.
that's nice. Alright, let's go that way. Let's find something.
Huh?
Looking for bra. What else can we buy here? Oh, look at this, $10. Save $6.
Hey, but look at this.
I don't wear bear bra.
Huh?
No way.
Had it.
No, I don't like that. The church is setting again.
Yeah.
Okay, what's that for?
Huh?
I don't have belly.
Keep your tongue in.
Oh, there's what I'm looking for. See, I'll show you.
Huh?
Oh my god, you drunk it all. Bastos.
What's in your nose? Huh?
It's in my nose.
Do you enjoy it? Huh? You like it?
Why did you drink it all?
Because you drank half of it.
Oh my god. Just look around.
Hun? Step, go back a bit.
$4. Oh my god.
Huh?
No budget for that.
Huh?
No budget.
Oh?
No.
Hun?
No.
Huh?
Who's the father?
Did you what?
Yeah, but my hair is very dark, so if I use that, it's gonna be really blonde.
That's alright.
Oh my god, I don't wanna be blonde.
Huh? You want white skin? What's the difference? Hun?
Dark brown, black. Oh my god, why am I thinking that the same thing? Goodness me. I'm so mean. Should I?
240 pesos.
$6.
240 pesos.
You save $2 on here.
You say?
It's probably safe in
You keep taking it.
Like, come on.
Now this is a magnet. Women's magnet. Look.
Wait a minute.
Oh, see? See? Look. Oh.
This is actually nice. This one's brown. See this?
Hun.
No.
Hun.
You always trick me.
Here.
Just leave it there.
I'll give it to her in a second.
Yes, hang on.
Huh? This is the women's magnet. I made it so big that every time I got a pass, I got to come in here and try to freeze them. You know how many lips that's been on? A woman beforehand might have had syphilis.
Huh?
The woman beforehand might have had dementia on the lips.
Oh my god, dementia doesn't transfer.
Huh? She might have had AIDS. They can be tippy-toeing. Mirrors are made for average people. So she got tippy-toe, she can't reach. Hobbit. Look, oh, do you know?
Oh, that's a pretty. We've finished shopping and then we just put that stuff. You broke it? You broke it?
That's pretty cold.
It is very cold today. Mahal, mahal, mahal. Oh, what is this? $1. Meron din ang palaya at sayutis, pero ang mahal-mahal ang sayutis ay $3.99. $3.99 meron din silang cooking mango. Ang mahal naman, $8 per kilo. Cooking mango sa ating kinakain na ito, cooking lang. Finished shopping my fruits and veggies and I only spent Milat. What? I only spent $12 all up. I bought one
440 pesos?
Oh my god.
My goodness.
One
400 pesos?
What 400 pesos? $10 times 3, 380 pesos.
Plus $2?
Huh?
You said $12.
380 pesos.
How much you
Then
spend?
$12.
$12. So 380 pesos plus 80 pesos, 460 pesos. For fruit.
Fruit and veggies. I bought
480 pesos. You might take a rice for that.
one ampalaya,
Umpa,
one opo,
umpa.
opo at what else? Opo, apples, pear, tangelo. What's tangelo in Philippines?
Tangelo.
Tangelo.
Marshmallow.
Tangelo at
Marshmallow.
what's the other one? Ano pa ba yung binili ko?
Alzheimer's.
Later.